Welcome to the Haitian Soul. If you grew up in Haiti and now find yourself trying to hold on to those memories of eating frescoes after school or dancing to a raga passing through the neighborhood, this channel is for you. Similarly, if you left young and you're trying to find a way to stay connected to your culture so that you don't completely disappear into your new one, this channel is for you. Maybe you're born of Haitian parents, and now you feel disconnected to your culture, and you're trying to reconnect to the essence of being Haitian. You found your digital lakai. I make nostalgic cultural content for people who want to reconnect with their roots and pass that love for Haiti down, even if we've since moved on to other shores.